So, you've heard it before. Your motivational letter can actually make or break your Erasmus Mundus application. Most students know how to write a good motivational letter, but good won't let you get in. You need a motivational letter that actually makes you stand out. So, in this video, I'm going to give you guys a step by step guide on how to write a motivational letter that actually gets you noticed by the Erasmus Mundus committee. So let's be real here. I know writing a motivational letter can be very overwhelming because you're trying to explain who you are, what you want, and why you are the best fit for this program. And all of this is in just one page. And majority of us don't know where to start, what to actually include. And trust me, I was there too. So the number one step here is to actually research about the program. So before you even write anything, you need to know the program. And this is very, very critical. You need to ask yourself these questions like what is the program about? What is its focus? How is this program different from any other programs? So go to the program's website, read about its outcomes, the course outlines, and all the necessary information that that you need. So show them that you have done your homework. Show them that you are passionate in reality, not just because you're saying, but because you actually know what the program is about. So this is, in my opinion, the number one crucial step that you should definitely pay more attention and spend more time on. So second step is crafting a strong introduction. So your introduction should immediately grab their attention. State who you are and why you are applying to this specific program. Don't be generic. Explain your reasons, explain your motivation, and why this program at this particular time is the perfect fit for you and why you are a perfect and natural fit for this program. So, for example, if you want to work in AI and this program has top tier faculty, projects, good alumni network, say it clearly. So, step number three is showcasing your academic and professional background. Now, highlight your relevant academic and professional background. How has your previous experience prepared you for this program? Tie your previous experiences to the skills that they are looking for. If you have done research, mention that. If you have done relevant internships, projects, or if you have relevant work experience, emphasize that. So, step number four is personal motivation and long term goals. So, this is the part where you need to get more personal. So, why do you want to study this particular subject? What actually motivates you or drives you to pursue this degree? So, you need to connect your motivation and your future goals together. So, for example, if you want to work in Europe after the completion of the degree, or do you want to do a PhD and do research, or you just want to do this degree, get skills, and then go back to your country and solve a particular problem. So this is actually something that I also included in my motivational letter. So, for example, my degree is a combination of software engineering and sustainability, and my country faces a particular problem that is recurring. So every single year we have we have the same problem. So I explained how acquiring the skills in this degree will help me, uh, will enable me, help me to create solutions for this recurring problem that we face in our country every single year, and be able to actually make a real impact. So you might think the things that I'm telling you, they might be very minute details, but I think these are the things that will actually make you stand out from the rest of the applicants who are just following generic templates from the internet. So personal touches, in my opinion, and of course real, authentic, truthful personal touches are really, really helpful. So step number five, and the last and the most important step, is to customize your motivational letter according to the program. So if you have not followed the step one, which is to research about the program, of course, and the other steps, all the other steps that follow that step number one, so you won't be able to do that. So if you haven't customized it according to the program specific, that will make your motivational letter look very ordinary and very generic in front of the admission committee that is evaluating your Erasmus Mundus application. So again, mention specific programs, uh, any projects, professors, research faculty, or facility that stood out for you. So this will actually ensure, and this will show to the admission committee, that you have very very carefully selected the program that you are applying for, and it's not just, you're just not randomly applying to any program just for the sake of applying for it. So once you have written your motivational letter, go back, refine it, and make sure that it highlights what makes you unique. Ask a friend or a mentor to read it and make sure there are no grammatical mistakes, because trust me, this is the last thing that you would want for your motivational letter. This looks very very unprofessional, so please make sure there are no grammatical mistakes. And yeah, if this video was helpful for you, please make sure that you like the video, you subscribe the channel, and you hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos, because I'm gonna be making lots of them. And also tell me which part of the motivational letter you find the most hardest, and I'll make sure that I can help out. And also comment down which would be the next topic that you would want me to cover. So I'll make sure that from now on, I make videos on the topics that you guys actually want to see, because this video was also uh, was one of the topics that you guys were sending me text about on Instagram and also in the YouTube comments. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I shall see you guys in the next one.